really excited to introduce OneGo Cloud Bag and OneGo Drawstring Bag. And both of these I've been using it in the outing in the autumn because the weather is absolutely beautiful, and they are super convenient and also rather fashionable. And the functionality is amazing. They work great as a shoulder bag. And the straps are easily adjustable. I can just pull it up. And I think this string bag can cater to people up to like 2 meters in height. It's very, very long. This drawstring bag, it comes in 2 colors. This one in forest and also ivory color. And this forest color in drawstring bag, it goes really well with the PGYTECH wrist strap for my mirrorless camera. I think there is a Black Friday sale going on, so don't forget to check out in the link down below for really good promotion. I realized this kind of shoulder bag is something that I needed if I only want to carry the camera only rather than the big backpack. So here, I can quickly get my camera out, take the picture of those birds that have migrated for the winter here because it's slightly warm here. But if you guys prefer carrying this in a handbag style, you can also do that rather than a shoulder bag. So what you can do is there is an attachment here. So I just need to take it out. Take the shoulder strap out and then attach these ends. And voila! I have a new handbag. And this black cloud bag also works as a little handbag as well. So it's really convenient to have it just right by your arm. They come in, this is medium size and also small size, and it only comes in the midnight black. Sometimes though, just like me taking YouTube video, I do need, tripod and so on. So I actually brought my bigger backpack. And this is one more light backpack from PGYTECH as well, which I do carry all the time. And the great thing about this cloud bag and also the drawstring bag is that they actually can work as the packing cube. So for me here, I have my massive lens. I actually recently bought 70 to 300 millimeter lens so that I can maybe take pictures of the winter migrating birds. So this big lens, they actually go into this cloud bag, and inside it's lined with nice orange color, really great color scheme, and with a bit of cushion as well, soft fabric to protect my lens. And this one is now a packing cube. It can go inside my backpack. There are a lot of goodies. It really helps to organize and give extra protection for your lens, expensive lens, and so on. But of course, one more light, it's all lined with cushions, so it will protect the lens, no problem. But these little fashionable bags can actually work as the extra cushion. So once I pack away my lens safely, like a packing cube, into my backpack, very safely, then you do have these shoulder straps free with the flexible shoulder pad and also the clip. But don't worry, PGYTECH designers, they've come up with every single use for every single detail. And with the shoulder straps that's lying around free, you can actually strap it or clip it onto your camera. Up to 1.5 kilogram of camera, which should pretty much cover every vlog cameras out there. So this kind of size is actually rather big for vlog camera because I'm using Alpha 6400. But now, for example, Sony, they have so many cute little camera with amazing functions. So you can just clip on this and use it as shoulder strap for camera, which is amazing. Actually perfect size, perfect length. You must agree that this is great length for actually taking picture as well. And really super safe to walk around as well. Great weight, great for traveling. So you might be a little confused as to which one to get, the cloud bag, which I am carrying right now, and also the drawstring bag, which I'm actually using the strap of to hang my camera. So now let me tell you the nitty-gritty detail of what you would find of each bag. The cloud bag is made of eco-friendly material. This eco-friendly microfiber leather looks very luxurious. I love this discreet design logo. And the Cloud Bag is equipped with an innovative magnetic buckle, and it is very secure. Now let's take a look at inside. It's very spacious. So there is this little secret compartment. You can put like credit cards, money, magnetic, and inside it's really spacious. I was really surprised to find that you can actually put a pretty decent size zoom lens and also my mirrorless camera with a small lens inside the bag. And you can actually pretty much fit more stuff in and clasp, and here we go. It all fits in to this bag. Wow, so I'm pretty amazed at how much this little bag can carry. So as I've shown you just now, I am carrying my Sony Alpha 6400 together with the 35mm lens, and I'm also carrying an extra zoom lens here separately. So you can actually take this bag, this cloud bag, to actually a decent kind of photography shooting with different lenses that can fit into this bag. And what I love is that because this bag is super light, so basically you're just carrying the weight of your camera, your lenses, and the bag does not give you much extra weight. Now let's take a look at the drawstring bag. So inside there are actually more compartments. There are 2 compartments here for the drawstring bag, and also a mini pocket for your money, I guess. And it is magnetic. Here, let me put in the Sony 18-105 lens and the same Sony Alpha 6400 with 35mm lens. I'm not gonna use the compartment here. And since there is another compartment here, I'm just gonna put like a sunglasses case. And you have the magnetic button, which is not the strongest, but no worries. It is all very safe because as the name suggests, it is drawstring bag. Here I'm in the outing, and if I really want to feel my bag to be extra safe, all I need to do is drawstring, and that's it. For this drawstring bag, the fabric is made of nylon, so it is weatherproof, it's the splash proof, water resistant, so you can actually take it anywhere with you. And all these PGYTECH bags, they have security in mind because, you know, they are designed for you to carry your expensive cameras and gears and so on. So as you can see, yes, the drawstring bag, you can actually securely fasten like this on top of the magnetic button, and this extra feature where you can really securely have your bag here while being a very easy access to get your hands on your camera gears. And in terms of storing all your expensive gears securely in the bag, all these bags actually have great lining, all this cushion. So this is all this soft lining with a layer of padding, I can feel it. And also with this cloud bag, same thing, inside the orange lining, which is very soft. It feels super duper soft, like a little blanket. And it does have very soft lining to have a bit of cushion effect for your camera gears. And one thing I have to tell you, the detail from PGYTECH, it comes with the aroma pad. So it smells super duper nice. Whatever has been inside the bag, it will end up smelling super so fragrant. Oh, and in here you can place an air tag. So I already have been using these bags in few of my outings in the autumn, in the early days of winter, and I really love it because they're super light and they look really good as well, and the price will not hurt your wallet. So if you guys know someone who is a little bit like me, who is into photography, videography, into outdoor outing and so on, and of course urban outing as well because they go well in the urban setting as well, then these bags may make into your gift list for the upcoming holiday seasons. Then don't forget to check out the link down below for full detail including the competitive price, and I'll be back with other interesting gadget review using these bags. So see you.